these are the top membership platforms in my opinion. These are what we use to build our membership sites, as well as recommend to our clients to have the most ease with building their membership sites. So just a quick summary here. WordPress, you'll be able to build your site. However, you will need a subscription plugin in order to make that work successfully. Memberful is a great option. You can attach this to any site in order to start generating customers. Profit per month as well. You can build any subscription business using this as your platform. And then we have the all-in-one platforms where you build a course and you sell that course right on the platform, and you can send the link to your course website from these platforms here. So let's go ahead and briefly jump into each of these different platforms and check out what they really do. I'll start with these build it yourself ones, and then we'll take a look at these all-in-one platforms shortly after. So starting with WordPress here, this is of course the world's most popular website builder. And this is what I prefer to build my own subscription businesses on. And for our clients, I also like using WordPress here. And this is because there's so many different developers that develop their own plugins, themes, and things of that sort for WordPress, which you can utilize for yourself. So it does take a little bit more setting up. You just have to buy a hosting platform and then install WordPress on that. But that doesn't take an insane amount of time and is not hard to learn. So this is what it looks like once you have that installed and set up. You just have different posts here. You can set up a post, set up different pages on your website. So pretty simple stuff like that. And then you can set your own theme, customize your theme, add plugins, which allow you to do different types of things on your site, and then your back-end settings, of course. So the thing with using WordPress is it's a great site builder, although you cannot directly get payments through WordPress from your members or your customers. So if you're using WordPress, you are going to need to install an extra plugin, some sort of WordPress subscription plugin or WordPress membership plugin. And we actually have a review on that on our YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check that out. I'll link that below so you can check out some of the best WordPress membership plugins and to use in combination with this site. And that actually leads us nicely into the next platform, which is Memberful, because you can use this as your WordPress subscription plugin. So Memberful, you sell memberships to your audience, and pretty much you design a plan, you create your buy link, and then customers can sign up on your site. So Memberful, you won't be able to create an actual website in Memberful, but you can use Memberful as a payment platform to get payments, hook that up into your WordPress site or any type of website you can use Memberful for, and you can get paying members onto your business, which is great. And Memberful has a bunch of integrations and features. For example, here you go, here's WordPress. You can connect it right into WordPress as well as your email services or anything else. Or say you have some sort of group chat like a Discord, you can also use Memberful to hook that up. So Memberful is another great option there for building your membership site online. Next we have Profit Per Month, which is built by our development team here at Profit Per Month. And here's the back end, very similar to Memberful here, where you can go in, can create a plan for whatever type of subscription or course you want to sell. You'll be able to view that here and edit it, and then simply all you need to do is you input the page URL of the page you'd like to lock for your membership site. So whether you're using WordPress or a different type of website builder, you just put in that page URL here after integrating your site, and that will easily lock any page for your paying customers so they can access your paying content and they can get what they paid for. And you can also see your entire list of members here, and you can edit their info and reach out to them directly here if needed. But that's just a little sneak peek of the background here, and of course you'll be able to integrate this with all sorts of different types of payment platforms and other email service integrations or other online services that are great for building membership sites. So that's the 3 build-it-yourself platforms wrapped up there. Next, let's take a look at the all-in-one platforms, Teachable, Kajabi, and Thinkific. So taking a look at Teachable here, we have 3 different pricing plans, $29 a month, $99 a month, and $249 a month. With this $29 a month, you will be able to have unlimited students. There will be a transaction fee on each of your sales, but you'll be able to build an entire course, an entire website, which is handled for you. You don't have to worry about hosting. You'll have a members-only community. You'll be able to collect payments directly through Teachable, so you don't have to worry about setting up any separate payment collection source. And you can drip your content, so you can release your content over time to customers to try and have better retention. And then of course you can hook up all of your email marketing services into here, so you can build your email list and generate more leads and send them here to your online course. So pretty much at the end of the day, Teachable, you can create an online course and you can sell that course directly to people who come to your site and check it out. So Thinkific here is actually very, very similar to Teachable, and these 2 platforms are in big competition. Difference here, the pricing is there's a $0 free tier. You can go ahead and try out Thinkific, and then it goes to $39 a month, $79 a month, $399 a month. Each tier there having slightly more features. And one of the big differences with Thinkific here is that there are no transaction fees on each sale, whereas Teachable, you're going to have a 5% transaction fee at the lowest level here. There's actually no transaction fees for each of your customers' sales here on Thinkific. So if you have a lot of customers, obviously you don't want to have too much of a percentage being taken out of every sale, so Thinkific might be a better option there. And then Kajabi is another one that often gets clustered in with Teachable and Thinkific. And it is similar in the sense that you can build your own course, put that up on the web, and then sell it. Although Kajabi is an even more beefed up all-in-one platform, because you can do even more than just build a course and sell it. So as you can see, the pricing here is $119 a month, $159 a month, $319 a month for Kajabi. So a big difference in pricing there. So let's see what you really get with Kajabi that you don't get with the other membership platforms. I'll have it laid out just basically for you here. So just for beginners, Teachable, Kajabi, Thinkific, each of these have a course builder where you can create a course, put that up, people can come to your site and buy that. Kajabi, you're just going to have that flat monthly fee along with Thinkific, where you're just paying a certain amount a month for access to their platform. You don't have to pay anything else. With Teachable, they're going to collect a small percentage of every sale from your customers. All right. And then Kajabi, we have a one-step checkout option as well as Teachable, whereas Thinkific's checkout process is not quite as smooth. You have to go through a couple different steps there in order for your customers to check out. And we know from a marketing standpoint that we want to have as smooth as a checkout process as possible to increase our conversions there on our course sales. So Thinkific could use some improvement there. But the big difference with Kajabi from Teachable and Thinkific here is that you can do more than just build a course. You can bring all of the different facets of your membership site together in one. So that includes building opt-in pages and marketing funnels. So of course we want to build our email list for our members as much as possible. And oftentimes we'll do that through ClickFunnels, through just different plugins on WordPress if you're using the build-it-yourself platforms, or even with Teachable or Thinkific, you're going to have to integrate an email service in order to collect those emails. But what Kajabi does is it brings that all together. So here you can see It actually takes your MailChimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, and Kajabi handles your entire email services. So your emails are on Kajabi, and you will not be integrating any email service there. So if you have some email expense monthly, I know if you use MailChimp and a couple of these other ones, if you have a couple hundred, couple thousand people in your list, that starts to get expensive. You can pay $50, $100 a month for MailChimp. So already right there, that can take off some expense for using Kajabi. But of course, another thing is that if you're using this all-in-one platform, you're going to have to be using everything from Kajabi. So you won't be able to pick and choose what sorts of softwares or integrations you want if you're using Kajabi. You're just kind of stuck with what they have built, which is great, don't get me wrong. Kajabi has built, they've done a great job bringing all of these integrations together into one spot. But you are giving up a little bit of freedom there. Say you want to use MailChimp, it's going to be a little bit more difficult if you're using Kajabi. But Kajabi also includes complete opt-in funnels and automations for you to be able to build your audience and your email list to get people into your course in the first place. So if you use anything like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, these businesses are great for getting opt-ins, and you give out a free PDF, you give out a free webinar, just these simple opt-in funnels Kajabi has already set up for you with templates. So with Teachable or Thinkific, you're not going to get these templates and these opt-ins here, whereas Kajabi, you're going to have more marketing power there built into the same platform so that you can say, hey, here's a free training PDF. You can check it out, download it, and exchange your email for the PDF. So you'll be able to build your email list more efficiently. And if you don't like the tech headaches here, just having all of this in one place is super easy, super simple, so that you can focus on building content out instead of duct taping all of this stuff together. So that's good for you if you absolutely do not want the tech headaches and do not want to worry about setting up different sort of integrations. However, all of this stuff you can easily do with WordPress. You just gotta connect ClickFunnels in, connect your email service in, and build your website how you want it with your theme. And you can essentially do the same thing here as Kajabi for even less money. But it will take a little bit more time just because it's not all in one platform. You have to put some moving pieces together. But if you have just a little bit of tech skill there and you have some time to build that out, it's a better expense alternative, and you'll just have more freedom with exactly how you want to build your site in the future. So there you have it. These are the top membership platforms in my opinion. These are what we use to build our membership sites, as well as recommend to our clients to have the most ease with building their membership sites. So just a quick summary here. WordPress, you'll be able to build your site. However, you will need a subscription plugin in order to make that work successfully. Memberful is a great option. You can attach this to any site in order to start generating customers. Profit per month as well. You can build any subscription business using this as your platform. And then we have the all-in-one platforms where you build a course and you sell that course right on the platform, and you can send the link to your course website from these platforms here. So I hope you enjoyed the video here, and I hope this helped you out choose a little bit which membership platform is best for you. Again, there's no ultimate best membership platform here, but it is going to depend on what your needs are and how much you want to deal with the tech side of things, how little you want to deal with the tech side of things, in order to choose the best membership platform for your business. So thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this and want to go a little bit deeper into the strategy about actually building your membership site once you've picked your platform and set that all up, and what steps to take in order to generate an audience and create income there, go ahead and check out Profit Per Month as well, where you can get training in addition to a subscription platform. Pretty much we have a community of clients where everybody is trying to build their membership site and subscription site here. So we're all helping each other out and working together to see what strategies are successful. So if that's something you're interested in, come check it out. And if you have any questions about these platforms, go ahead and drop a comment. Thank you for watching.